Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we did the reading part of the story, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Today I'll be explaining you the story. There was a learned Pandit students. Learned means he was a very knowledgeable person. He was a Pandit. He once visited the court of Akbar. He visited Akbar's Darbar. He told the king and the courtiers, जितने भी दरबारी थे, he told them that he had mastery over many different languages. He knows many different languages and he can speak many different languages fluently. Fluently means without any problem, with much ease, he can speak many different languages. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. यूजुअली बच्चे क्या होता है कि हम अपनी जो मदर टंग है उसमें तो बहुत कन्वीनियंटली बात कर पाते हैं, पर जो सेकंड लैंग्वेज होती है या थर्ड लैंग्वेज होती है, जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमें उसमें प्रॉब्लम होती है क्योंकि हमारी उतनी उस पर पकड़ नहीं होती है जितनी हमारी मदर टंग पर होती है. बट दिस पंडित वॉज सो लर्नेड दैट ही वॉज सो फ्लुएंट इन ईच एंड एवरी लैंग्वेज कि ये पता लगाना ही मुश्किल हो गया कि वॉट हिज मदर टंग वॉज. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. जितने भी दरबारी थे, he challenged them कि आप लोगों में से कोई भी मेरी मदर टंग बता नहीं सकता. Everyone tried, but when everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by बीरबल. सबने ट्राई किया. They tried telling the mother tongue of the Pandit, but they were not successful. When everybody failed, this challenge was taken up by Akbar's very wise gem, very wise minister Birbal. That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. अब क्योंकि challenge Birbal ने लिया है, he went to the Pandit's room at night जब वो सो रहा था. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. What he did was, उसने पंडित के कान में कुछ खुसर फुसर किया और उसको टिकल किया, गुदगुदी की विद अ फेदर. द पंडित हाफ अवेक. अब क्योंकि अगर उसको नींद में परेशानी होगी तो उसने कुछ बड़बड़ाया अपने वर्ड्स में, अपनी मदर टंग में. बीरबल केम टू द कोर्ट द नेक्स्ट डे एंड टोल्ड एवरीवन दैट द पंडित्स मदर टंग वॉज तेलुगु. बीरबल केम टू द कोर्ट, ही केम टू द दरबार द नेक्स्ट डे और उसने सबको बताया दैट द पंडित्स मदर टंग वॉज तेलुगु. दिस पंडित बिलोंग्ड टू आंध्र प्रदेश बिकॉज द स्टेट लैंग्वेज ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश इज तेलुगु. द पंडित वॉज सरप्राइज एंड एक्सेप्टेड द ट्रुथ. ही वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज कि इसको पता कैसे चला, पर उसने ये ट्रुथ मान लिया कि येस हिज मदर टंग वॉज तेलुगु. किंग अकबर then asked Birbal, how did you find the truth? Now the Raja Akbar said, asked Birbal how you could find the truth. So Birbal answered, in times of difficulty, whenever a person is in a problem, he or she speaks in his mother tongue. जब भी हम किसी प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं, we come to our natural self, we speak in our mother tongue. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. उसने बताया कि last night he had gone to the Pandit's room and there he had tickled his ear with a feather. He had whispered in his ear and the reaction that came, it was in Telugu, and that is how he could find out that the mother tongue of the Pandit is Telugu. Understood? Read the chapter again, students. Try writing the meaning of this, the summary of the story in your own words. Also underline all the difficult words in the story.